In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a second player here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 for split screen. This is super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you can basically do this on any console. Just once you are on this screen, whether it's multiplayer or zombies or even that co-op campaign, you're going to see your party on your right-hand side. It's going to show your name right here, and right under it, it's going to say add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen. Now, you can use either one for this, but in this video, I'm just going to use a secondary controller. What you're going to want to do is connect that second controller to your console, and it's going to ask who is using this controller. You're going to need to select a different user that is not the one that you are using, and if it is your first time doing split screen, it's going to ask you to sign in with another Activision account. If you don't have one, it's going to prompt you to create one on screen, which only takes about 2 minutes max. But after that, it's going to go ahead and say press X to join split screen. Whenever you do that, you're going to see both accounts linked together on the right side. At this point, just grab your main controller and start searching for a game. You could literally do a quick match of literally anything. It doesn't necessarily matter. Or you could get into Nuketown 24/7 since that did come out a few days ago. But as you can see, once the match does load, but as you'll see, when the match does load, player 1 is going to be on the top half of your screen, and player 2 is going to be on the bottom, and that's literally all there is to it. You're going to be ready to play split screen. If you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point that this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.